Welcome to the first video in the course. If you ever thought about making money from sneakers, but didn't want to deal with the hassle of managing orders, shipping, or customer service, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most powerful ways to profit from sneakers, consignment. Specifically, how you can use stadium goods to consign your sneakers and make passive income. Let's break it down. First off, let's clarify what consignment actually means in the sneaker world. When you consign sneakers, you're essentially partnering with a platform like Stadium Goods. You send them your sneakers and they sell them for you. The catch is you don't get paid until the sneakers sell. Once they're sold, you'll get your cut minus the platform fees. All right, now that we know what consignment is, let's focus on how it works specifically on Stadium Goods. Here's the process you'll go through as a consigner. First, you'll need to sign up as a consigner on the Stadium Goods website. Just go to the Sell with Us section, fill in your details, and you'll create your account. You can't just send in any sneakers. Stadium Goods only accepts brand new, dead stock sneakers. No used pairs allowed. They must be in the original box and in mint condition. So before sending, make sure your sneakers are fresh and ready to sell. Once you've got your sneakers ready, you can either ship them to Stadium Goods or drop them off in person if you're in New York. You'll need to print a consignment form from your account that helps Stadium Goods track your items and list them correctly. After you submit your sneakers, Stadium Goods will determine a pricing range based on their market data. Or you can propose a price. They'll list your sneakers for sale on their site and retail stores. Once your sneakers sell, you'll receive a payout. The payout is after Stadium Goods consignment fees, which typically range between 20 to 25%, depending on your account and the sneakers you consign. Payments are made through bank transfer. If this is a little overwhelming, don't worry. Soon I will be uploading a video walking you through exactly how to set everything up. Now, let's cover some common questions that come up when people are starting with consignment on Stadium Goods. The first question is, how long does it take to sell my sneakers? It depends on the sneaker and the demand. Some sneakers can sell in a few days, others may take a few weeks or months. It's important to be patient, especially if you're consigning higher end or limited edition sneakers. Make sure you do proper research. How much do I get paid? The payout is usually 80% to 85% of the sale price, depending on the fees and your agreement with Stadium Goods. You'll get the most out of your consignment when you understand the market value of the sneakers you're selling. Question 3. Are there any fees? Yes. Stadium Goods take a consignment fee that ranges from 20% to 25% based on various factors like the sneaker's value and your seller tier. Question 4. What if my sneakers don't sell? If your sneakers don't sell within a certain period, Stadium Goods may return them to you. You can either have them sent back or reduce the price to make them more competitive. It's essential to keep track of your listings so you know when to adjust your strategy. Question 5. How does Stadium Goods sell items for more than other marketplaces? They have a strong branding, an established reputation, and a high-end customer base that is willing to pay a premium for authenticity, convenience, and status. Question 6. How do I choose which sizes to send? It depends on the brand. For Yeezys, bigger sizes tend to sell better. For brands like Onitsuka Tiger or Adidas, smaller sizes are often in demand. Check the data before buying inventory. There's no strict guideline to sizes. Always do your research properly. Question 7. What type of products can I consign besides sneakers? They also accept streetwear and accessories from select brands, but sneakers are the primary focus. If I missed any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. To wrap it up, consignment through Stadium Goods is one of the best ways to passively profit from sneakers. You don't have to worry about packaging, shipping, or handling customers. Stadium Goods take care of all that for you. All you need to do is source your sneakers, send them in, and collect your payout when they sell. In the next video, we'll be diving deeper into why consignment is a better choice for many sneaker resellers compared to the hustle of direct selling. But for now, go ahead and set up your account with Stadium Goods and start looking through your sneaker collection to find the perfect pairs to consign. Make sure you're subscribed and leave any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.